Last night I was looking at the forum and someone posted on a thread that was put about a year ago talking about support for the Hebrew language. And I did tag in a video which I did 2 years ago about adding Google Translate. And it was a really easy implementation. You just added some code to a rich text field. You added this code in and it worked great. Thing is now it stopped working, so Google have obviously changed something. So in this video I'll show you how you can use Google Translate plugin to translate any page into any language. So I'm over in my test application. If I go up to the three dots and go to extensions and visit the Chrome Web Store, type in Google Translate, and that will take you to the page to add this plugin to Chrome. Add the extension. I'm not going to sync it on all devices, so I'm just going to close that. Go back to my Knack app and do a refresh. And if I right click on the page, I get a menu here, and I can then click on the Translate to. This is actually Hebrew because I've been playing around with this. But you can then click on the three dots and change it to another language. So now I have a drop down list here and I can change it to anything I wish. So if I press S, it will jump me down to the S's, and I could choose Spanish if I can find it. There we go. And translate, and that will now translate this page into Spanish. If I go to another page, this will obviously all be in Spanish. I go and change this back to right click and say translate, change it to another language and do H for Hebrew, which is here, and translate. And now this is in Hebrew, and if I go back to my main page, this is also in Hebrew, I believe, because I can't speak Hebrew. If you do a page refresh, it does reset this back to your browser's normal language, so now back to English. If I right click on the here menu and say translate to Hebrew, I'm back. So I can then just close this down, or obviously change to another language. Hopefully you found that of use. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then click the subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.